So you want to be a landman. Here's how to make the TV show a reality. Taylor Sheridan's new series, Landman, is bringing massive attention to the oil and gas industry. And if you're thinking about getting in, the window of opportunity is now. Let's talk about it. Howdy folks, my name is Steven Hatcher and welcome to the Minerals Guy channel. I'm a real life landman and I've bought, sold, and brokered over $100 million of oil and gas assets within the past 12 months. My business acquires mineral rights all across the country, and we also teach people how to invest in mineral rights and become landmen. We teach folks how to find the deals and how to earn the best passive income that there is, oil and gas royalties. And make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video and we'll tell you how you can get involved. So there are a bunch of different ways to get involved in the oil and gas industry. You could work out in the field or as a geoscientist, engineer, accountant, and attorney, but becoming a landman is, in my opinion, the best way to get involved. Why? A, you don't need a specialized degree. And more importantly, landmen are the deal makers in the oil and gas business. And personally, I love doing deals. And landmen are uniquely situated to be the deal makers in oil and gas because we understand the complexities of mineral title. A lot of folks start out as independent landmen or lease brokers, most of the time working for someone else while they learn the ropes. You might be working on someone else's ticket, running title in the courthouse, buying leases, or doing acquisition due diligence. You could also work directly for an oil and gas company as an in-house landman. These jobs are more coveted, require experience, and they're just harder to get. You could also become a mineral buyer or broker. And this is a big piece of what I do. I am constantly looking for opportunities to acquire producing and non-producing mineral rights. And in my opinion, it's the best way to be a landman. Why? Because I get to work for myself and generate my own opportunities. When I find a deal, I could buy it myself, partner with another group, or flip out of the deal entirely. And the hardest part of the mineral rights industry might surprise you. It's not figuring out how to finance the deals or how much to pay. It's finding the deal. If you can learn how to find mineral rights opportunities, you can make a lot of money. So how do you get in? So the series Landman is shedding light on this industry, and a lot of folks are trying to figure out how to break in. Trump is back in office and many folks are realizing just how important the oil and gas industry is for our economy. The good news for you is that I've built a course that will teach you step by step how to find, underwrite, and close mineral rights transactions. So whether you're looking for a new career or you're ready for a side hustle with real upside, we can teach you, no matter your background, how to be a landman. And the course teaches you my system for mineral rights acquisition. And it's the very same system that I've used to do 18 deals within the past 6 months. And here's the very best part. You do not need a trust fund or a huge pile of cash to get started. Some of the best deals that I've done in my career have been where I had very little of my own cash in the deal. Remember, the hardest part of the mineral rights industry is finding the deal, and I can teach you to do that. So whether you're looking for a new main hustle, side hustle, or you just want to learn how to invest in mineral rights, the best thing that you can do is to equip yourself with the right tools and education. And if you're ready to take the next step, you can find out more about the course at the link that's down in the comments, or you can go directly to learnminerals.com.